Listen here, this video is brought to you by Surfshark VPN. You know what I mean? Forget about it.
Hey, I'm 1000.
Today we're painting a Game Boy. Let's go.
Paint a Game Boy, the OG Game Boy. Oh yeah, you know I got a lot of Game Boy.
First we gotta take this thing apart.
Let's start by taking this cartridge out and we'll get my batteries out of there. I'm nervous. I hope I don't ruin this and it never turns back on again. So I'm seeing screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. These are kind of weird shaped screws. They're triangle. Dang, I'm in trouble. I have Phillips and flathead, but these are 3-pointed security screws. I think I need to order a special kind of screwdriver so that I can take this thing apart.
I just want to record my video.
All right, here I come, Amazon.
Next day shipping.
All right, I got the correct kind of screwdriver. I hope it's actually working. Yes. 1 screw down, 5 to go. 2 screws down. 3 screws down. 4 screws down. Come on now. 5 screws down. 6 screws down. Moment of truth, I've never seen the inside of a Game Boy. Oh, it's connected. Sweet. Maybe I should just leave this connected and just unscrew this whole circuit board and see if that works. I'm not gonna be able to get this thing back together. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to get this thing unscrewed. I hope this works when I'm done. Hope I don't electrocute myself. Oh, sweet. That's the little volume wheel. That's the speaker with that sweet dot matrix sound.
In a world where one man takes apart his Game Boy, there's but one question to be answered. Will he be able to put it back together?
There's a lot of screws in this thing, but these things were built like tanks, designed for 7-year-olds to just drop them over and over again. Let me know down in the comments if you had an original Game Boy. I certainly did. Is that all of them? Moment of truth. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. This is what I've been after, the faceplate. Oh, dude, there's the little buttons. That's the D-pad, and it's just got a little silicone rubber thing underneath it. Sweet, dude. Select and start. Now this is all glued in here, this little plastic screen protector thing. So I think I'm gonna have to tape this off very carefully. And now we can do some actual artwork. Here we go. I got some green tape. I'm gonna mask it off. Slice it up, precision blade, the X is gone. Take the metal plate off, let's green tape some. Take this sticker off and then I think we're done. All right, I got this little schnitzel all taped off. Now I think it's time to spray paint this thing. But it's Michigan and it's winter and it's cold outside and spray paint acts kind of funny when it's cold outside. But don't worry, I got some big brain maneuvers cooking to be able to use spray paint in winter. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Consider it a free tutorial, but you gotta pay close attention because it's very complicated. All right, here we go. Step 1, get a space heater. Step 2, get a shed. Step 3, put the space heater in the shed. Tutorial complete. Let's spray paint. I'ma spray paint on this Game Boy. Montana Molotov Flame Boy.
Go spray paint for the chain boy.
Get the KO like my name Floyd. Pass me the can of fuchsia. Make a video on my computer. And you can let it play on looper. I can breathe fire, call me King Cooper. Make it pink like Princess Peach do. Grab the can the color of Pikachu. I am evolving, Moonstone. I want a link to this vid on my tombstone.
After these messages, we'll be right back. Wow, I finally found it.
Who awakens the great genie from his slumber?
It is I, Schmaladin. I have come to claim my wishes.
Oh, 3 wishes you seek. Aight, we got some ground rules. Number 1, no killing. Number 2, no wishing for someone to fall in love with you. Number 3, no wishing for services that Surfshark VPN already offers. If you wish for one of these, you automatically just lose a wish.
Oh, snap. Okay, I wish I could watch content from anywhere around the world, no matter what country I am in.
You lose one wish. Surfshark VPN lets you unlock region-locked content from around the world, you dummy. You just log into one of Surfshark's servers in another country, and you have access to tons of shows, movies, and YouTube content you can't watch in your country. Bro, they got over like 3,200 servers in 65 countries. Come on, man.
Dang it. I wish all my devices would be secure from hackers and no one could know what I was up to on the internet. And being able to use public Wi-Fi securely would be great.
Oh, dang, you suck at this, Schmaladin. Surfshark secures your data, hides your IP address, blocks ads. It has clean web technology that blocks malware. Bruh, even your internet service provider can't see what you're doing online. Oh, man.
Oh, what the hell, man? Okay, how about this, Genie? If I can make up something so outrageous about Surfshark that it couldn't possibly be true, can I get a wish back?
Well, all right. Just because I feel bad for you at this point.
All right. Well, how about this one, Mr. Fancy Pants? I wish for a special deal where I can get, let's say, 20% off Surfshark and an extra month free. Boom! In your face. I know Surfshark can't be offering a deal that good.
Well, Schmaladin, you got me. Because you can actually get 83% off plus 3 extra months free when you use code 1000. But you know, a deal's a deal. You get one more wish back. What are you gonna wish for there, little Schmaladin?
Actually, I'm good. I'm just gonna sign up for Surfshark VPN and all my wishes will have come true. Thanks, Genie. Bye.
Take a picture of the Game Boy. Yeah, good job. Bring the photo into Procreate. Yeah, rotate it. That's awesome. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's okay, a little bigger. Awesome. Good job. All right, I got my photo brought into Procreate, and now I'm gonna sketch out what I actually want to do on this Game Boy. When it came time to sketch out my concept art, I knew this Game Boy was like super tiny. I didn't have a ton of surface area to paint on. So I wanted something kind of simple that could also kind of wrap around the whole Game Boy and something that would generally just look badass. So my mind went straight to Snake. Snakes are pretty cool, so we're making a snake boy. I'm using an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, Apple Pencil 2. The app is called Procreate. The brush that I'm using is the Peppermint Pencil. That's a brush that's built right into Procreate. I like the Peppermint Pencil. So hopefully this concept art isn't too simple and it'll really come alive when I paint it. This is my friend Matt. He's a medium. We are going to be slathering this little fella all over our fresh paint job so that our acrylic paint plays nicer with the spray paint. Matt medium, we gonna lay it down. Okay, I think we're finally ready to start the art. This piece I'm using Golden Fluid Acrylics, my go-to paint. Anyone who's ever seen one of my videos before pretty much know that. But if I don't mention the paint I use, I will get lots of comments asking me what paint I use. For the brushes, I'm using cheap brushes. I did actually pick up some expensive brushes, but I'm kind of waiting to use them until I work on a bigger piece. Maybe I'll make a video about my new expensive brushes in the future. Make one of those videos that's like, cheap versus expensive. I spent $10,000 on brushes. No, I didn't spend $10,000 on brushes. I also picked up some brush soap that I was using throughout this project, so I'm gonna try 2021, keep my brushes nicer. We'll see how long that lasts. All these damn scales will be the death of me. So many scales.
The trickiest part to me of painting this Game Boy is that the back of it has all of these ripples and grooves and this textury surface. Getting my paint all up in those grooves and keeping a straight line over those ripples was definitely tricky. Plus the general fact that it's just really, really small. Lots of tiny details. But I think this thing is turning out pretty good.
Necesito mongonero. Necesito mongonero.
All right, let's go out to our spray shed and varnish this thing up. That's what I'm calling it now, the spray shed. All right, now this is the part that has kind of been worrying me. I gotta take this tape off. I hope that I did a good job taping. I hope that when I peel the tape off, it doesn't take the paint with it, because at this point it has spray paint on it, it has acrylic paint on it, it has varnish on it. So I'm gonna just use my blade to loosen up the paint a little bit here. Hopefully this comes out clean. Hopefully it's not a major catastrophe. All right, y'all, fingers crossed. Let's start taking this tape off. Pretty clean so far. I also hope it didn't leave a lot of residue on that plastic. This is doing all right so far. Oh my gosh. Wow, not too bad. Not too bad, y'all. I was having nightmares about this. Ooh, baby. Yeah. That's looking sweet. Hello, hello. Okay, let's put this thing back together. Ooh, this is the part that I'm nervous about. Can I put it back together? I think this thing goes here. Oh, wait. First, this metal thing. I forgot about that. Come on, get on out of there now. No. How was this thing? That does not seem right. About to open up my own computer repair shop, y'all. Dial 1-800-1000-FIX-YO-SCHNITZEL.org. Linus Tech Tips, I'm coming for you, cause your boy got skills, son. All right, let's screw in this little chungus. Oh, yes. Wait. There was like a power button thing that goes right up here. I probably needed to put that in first, like an idiot. Okay, Linus, you still might be a little better than me, I'll concede that, but I'm coming for you, bro. Okay, I think that's right. Ew, that's kind of nasty. Let's clean this up a little bit. All of the gunk. That's nasty too. Yo, there's like boogers in there. Let's clean that up.
Boogers on my D-pad. Some little kids' boogers from 1993.
It's a little song I wrote for you guys. Hope you like it. I select and start. They smell like farts, so I clean them off so it looks top notch. D-pad first. D-pad silicone thing. Button, silicone thing. Select, start. Oh, yes, it fits. Will it turn back on? Stay tuned to find out. I like this little graphic right here. It's like, see that hole? Do not put a screw in it. I appreciate that, Nintendo. All I gotta do is the outer screws now. We're doing it, y'all. Oh man, I'm missing one screw. How did that happen? Maybe it will turn up somewhere. But the moment I've been waiting for with most anticipation, I want to see if this thing actually turns on. Okay, the batteries are in. The battery door is closed. Pokemon Red is inserted. And the moment of truth. Oh, dude, that looks so sick with the screen in there. Oh my gosh. All right. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't turn on. No. Epic fail. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh. So I took one screw out, and now it's working. Okay, maybe that screw was too tight. Yay, I fixed it. I took one screw out. Dude, that was gonna be such an epic fail if this hadn't worked. Oh my gosh. All right, the Game Boy is put together. Now it's time for the crazy final shots. Boom.
Yeah, Yeah, baby.
This must be the Metal Gear edition, because that is a solid snake. If you like this video, leave a like. Just remember, for every like on this video, a Pokemon will be added to my Pokedex, so please help me out by hitting that like button, because, you know, I gotta catch them all. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this Game Boy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. You can even ring the bell if you want to know exactly when the next video is coming out. Turn on all notifications. Sign up to my carrier pigeon service, where I will send you a pigeon to your house with a little message attached to its leg every time that I publish a video. That's definitely a real thing that I'm doing. Oh, sorry, I forgot I was doing an outro. I got distracted playing my Game Boy. Check out my website, 1000art.com, where I got t-shirts and hoodies and long sleeves and crew neck sweaters and prints and all kinds of sweet stuff.
Merch, son!
Get it.
Free shipping in the US, international shipping available. And last but not least, a huge and massive, gigantic thank you to my patrons. They hold me down, support me on a monthly basis. You guys are the coolest people on the internet. Your names are over here. They're also going right along over here, and they deserve all the credit in the world because they're super dope. So thank you so much, patrons. I'm 1000. Boom, Game Boy, baby. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, son. See you. Well, it's the end of the video, so let's answer a random question from the comments. This one comes from Aiden McIntyre. Aiden asks, when did you start artisting? Well, I've loved art since I was a little kid. I've been drawing and coloring and doing all that stuff since I was a wee laddie. But I started to take my art more seriously probably around like 2012. I really switched gears from being hardcore into music and trying to do music as my job and my dream. So we're going on close to 10 years of me being like super hardcore artist, doing art as my job, making art almost every single day. But awesome question, Aiden. All right, y'all. Peace out. Thank you.